Have you noticed that a monster is created by another monster?
Yeah. Yeah.
People that abuse other people were abused before, so therefore they say because they abuse me, I have the right to abuse other people, and that's how you create a generational chain.
100%. Yeah.
That's a demon. And Stephanie, for days like this, when everything is against you, remember Romans 8:18. It clearly states that the present troubles, all the problems, compares nothing with the glory that we will enjoy when we are face to face with the Lord Jesus.
Yes.
So have an eternal mentality, have a heavenly mentality, because the Bible also says we do not belong in the world.
This is not our home.
No. This is passing by to grow our character.
Right.
We came to the world to do two things: to choose between Jesus and the devil, and once you choose Jesus, to form your character so that you can actually grow in heaven. Because this is the fastest way to grow your character, is on earth. Because in heaven, everything is beautiful.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Yes, exactly. I know. Come, Lord Jesus, quickly. But yeah, you're right. And it's just that reminder that this is not it. This is not our home. And we have such an amazing, just an amazing kingdom waiting for us.
It is, for sure. With your friend, once you realize that helping these people, with what you're doing was not what you thought about, you still went and did it? Or how was that process? Because it's very hard, especially in what you're trying to solve, right?
Yeah, that's a good question. I think that if I would have known everything in advance, I wouldn't have done it. And I think that's why God is so good about just showing us the next step at any given time. And the ministry that I ran, I used to call my Rachel ministry and this my Leah ministry, because I loved that ministry and this one I did not. And God, just what he has done for me and through me, and just and building my character, building my faith, building my trust, has been an incredible journey. And I've had to rely on him. And I think that there were things in my last in the ministry I ran before where some of it I don't know, there were pieces of it that I probably took some credit and thought, oh well, I do that well, so I did. And today I just know that I have to rely on him or it will fail, and that's it. And so I know that he's done a lot with I told him that early on in my time, I said I took a Bible study, just me and the Lord, on pride, and that was no fun. It was just me and God on pride. But I think that he's done that a lot with me and just developed me. And I've gone through the fire, and God brings me out, and he's good, always good.
You touched something amazing that I have found that is the key of all evil, is pride.
Yeah.
Pride opens the door for all kinds of sin and evil, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. And I think pride looks different. Some people get pride confused because people think it is always just, I'm wonderful. But it's really anytime you're focused solely on yourself and not the Lord. And that can look like, oh, I'm horrible. But it's still pride because your focus is right there. And it is something that is easy to fall into for all of us. And I think just knowing how to say, okay, that's not where I'm going to sit. I'm going to turn this back over to the Lord.
You know, the most disguised way of being prideful is by feeling the victim.
Yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
right? I had a
Yep.
demon in me of victimization.
Yep.
So
Yep.
I'm when I was a kid, and then many things happened to me, and then I allowed myself to feel the victim. And because I allowed myself to feel the victim, I invited this horrible demon to come into my flesh that he kept telling me, oh, you deserve this because they did that to you. You can hurt this person because this other person hurt you. Have you noticed that a monster is created by another monster?
Yeah. Yeah.
People that abuse other people were abused before, so therefore they say because they abuse me, I have the right to abuse other people, and that's how you create a new generational chain.
100%. Yeah,
That's a demon,
that's right.
and it's pride.
Right.
And
Yeah.
it's pride.
It's true.
At the end of the day, that's what it is.
That's right. Yeah, so true. Mm.